Cajun flatbread. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be making our Mornay sauce, which will be requiring us sauteing some white onions with extra virgin olive oil, then adding in our warm milk, 2 ounces of grated cheese, of parmesan and gruyere. Slowly add this in and mix well on low. 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 cloves, and cook sauce on low till it has thickened and cooled. Now into our blackened chicken. We're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of blackened chicken, half pound of cubed chicken breasts or thighs, cooking this for 4 to 5 minutes till finish. Assembly time. We're going to be rolling out our dough, adding in our cheese sauce, cooking it on a bed of parchment sheet paper, just like so. Then now adding in our sliced andouille sausage, just like so, a little bit of chicken, also our sweet red and yellow peppers, very nice. From here we're going to be finishing it with more cheese right on top. Bake at 450 degrees until brown. Drizzle with our good Cajun butter sauce down below, and also top out with some green onion. Look how amazing this looks. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye!